Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this new day. Okay, I'm gonna be making a quick analysis of what are we expecting today. My screen, as you can see, we have NQ right now. So let me delete this line. So we have NQ on the daily time frame. Right. So the first thing I do, I just mark the previous day. This is the candle from yesterday. So I'm going to mark the bottom, the lowest point. I use purple just to identify. I'm going to mark the top. I'm going to mark the open here with different color. Good morning. I'm going to mark the close. So these are the first level I look. Okay, so once this guy is marked, now I'm gonna be looking for hot boxes, for ranges. So this one, the orange line, I will show you what I'm looking on the orange line. The orange line means 1 week, weekly level. So for example, excuse me. So for example, on the weekly level, I have this candle here. So for me, this candle hasn't been mitigated because, as you can see, this candle came only half. This candle came a little more than half. Then this candle came, same. So I never complete the range. So for me, a candle to be mitigated has to be from bottom to top, or top to bottom, whatever. So that's why I mark this guy here. So I mark the top, I mark the bottom. So as you can see, we are here right now. So we are approaching slowly to the top of the box, the weekly hot box. The other one I have is this guy here, this candle here. As you can see, still missing this part to be complete. So I mark also the top and the bottom. Right? So these are my weekly level. Can you please confirm in the chat if my audio is good? Can you hear me well? All right, so on the daily, give me 1 second. All right, so audio is confirmed. Let's going to continue. So now I'm going to the daily. Let's want to find hot box there. So right now we're here, so we're trying to complete this guy. As you can see, we have the weekly level overlapping right now. So during the trading session, these levels are important to me. This orange here, this orange here, this orange here. So whatever NQ is approaching, either this one or this one, I'm gonna be waiting for some crazy reactions at this point. So on the daily, I don't see any visible hot box. They want to complete this candle, maybe go up. From price action perspective, it looks they want to continue going up to complete at least this part. Maybe they're gonna come down to kill all this part here. We'll see. Maybe they want to retest this part of the week of this candle here. Maybe going up, break, and maybe reach half of this one. We'll see. But on the daily, I don't have any visible hot box right now. But let's see on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame looks a little better now. This is a hot box for me. Look at this candle. Look at this candle. For me, this candle needs to be mitigated. So this will be my 4-hour hot box here. This guy here. So let's see what happened. Maybe they're trying to complete all this. As you can see, if you mark this one, this candle, look at they touch it. They give this candle a little kiss there and rejection. Perfect. 100% perfect. Look at this. So for me, this is invalid now because they complete the range. So now I'm going to be aiming for this guy here. I'm going to be expecting coming down, enter the box, playing some games, and continue going down at least half, or at least to this weekly level here. That is what I will be expecting right now. Okay, going up, coming down, entering the box, and if I see some good price action doing this, I'm gonna be taking the shorts, and then continue going down. That's what I'm expecting now. Okay, so this is our 4-hour hot box setup for NQ. This is my plan. This is my plan, guys. We'll see what we get. So let's go and analyze another one. I have silver here. On silver, they already complete this 4-hour hot box here. So for me, this guy has to go. Well, let's go and analyze ES. Okay. Let me delete all this. We can chart completely. I'm going to start on the weekly. It's a learning purpose, okay? On the weekly, this is the weekly time frame on ES. So I have this candle here. What do you see? This candle hasn't been mitigated completely. We still have missing this part here. So I'm going to be marking the top of that candle, orange. I'm going to be marking the bottom of this candle. We are inside the box. This is our weekly box now. As you can see, they came inside the box. Now let's see the daily time frame. Right, so on the daily time frame, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mark the previous day, the previous low. I'm going to mark the previous high. I'm going to mark the open here. And the close here. Okay. So from the daily, I don't see any visible hot box. Maybe again, same like NQ, probably they're gonna be completing this guy here, coming up, complete, and then rejection, come down to finish this part. Or if they decide to break it, you should be waiting for a reaction here at the top of the weekly box, which is 7.017. Okay, so if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we have a good one here. Okay, look at this. This is a for our box to be complete. So right now we are pumping, no problem, because like I mentioned, they're gonna be maybe rejecting this one. If not, they're gonna be coming up to the orange line. Okay. So what should we expecting? You should be expecting coming down, entering the box, playing some games here, and then massive rejection to at least half of the box. From here to here, half is a lot of money already. So keep that in mind, please. If you see here the 4-hour time frame, look at how they're playing the levels. That's what I'm saying. Now let's see what happened on the market open. If they're gonna come down, retest coming up, or retest coming down, break it, and inside the box. Are we clear with the plans, guys? Let me know in the chat, please, if we are clear. Okay, so that's my analysis for today. For NQ and ES, I'm gonna be trading NQ. I don't trade ES, but for learning purpose, we chart ES and explain the hot box. So again, on NQ, this is the hot box I'm gonna be looking. If they decide to continue pumping, I'm gonna be watching this level for some rejection, or this one here. Okay, that's my plan for today, guys. That's my plan. See what we get. Okay, I'm gonna be inside Team Bull now, making the trading. Let's see what we get. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing again this analysis, okay, for learning purpose, so we can have a plan, we can learn together. Let's see you inside Team Bull. Thank you for joining me. I hope it's clear. See you tomorrow, guys.